We knew he was going to pick the 6 more weeks, didn't we?
I mean, even on an overcast day in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, still seeing a shadow. Must have been those TV lights, right? I mean, what a wacky storm we had yesterday, too. Looking at some of the snowfall totals that we picked up across southern New England, huge variations in amounts, with the northern and western parts of Rhode Island being the highest totals, but could even go just several miles to find huge differences. So Scituate picking up about 5.5 inches of snow, North Scituate about 12.5 inches of snow. And then on Facebook, one of my friends on Facebook said, okay, she got 10 inches of snow in Charlestown. Her sister in Jamestown saw only 2 inches of snow. It was that kind of storm. Let's take a look at some of the other totals. These are some of the higher amounts that we saw. North Foster with over 11 inches of snow, Chepachet with 13, Westerly 7.5, West Greenwich 11 inches of snow, and in Coventry picking up about 9 inches of snow. Many of those communities opting for another day of virtual learning today as we clean up. But even here on the East Bay, those side roads are still sloppy, and so you're going to want to watch out and maybe slow your speeds down a little bit as you begin your day. We're going to talk more about what's ahead for the day with Pete right now.
Thank you very much, Michelle. And yeah, that's right. Highly varied snowfall amounts. I've seen reports from the exact same city or town that have a difference of maybe 6 or 7 inches. So it just depends on the neighborhood for some parts of the storm. Now, the storm is pretty much done, except the winds are still going this morning. We still have some rain and snow showers lingering, especially here in northern Rhode Island. So just keep that in mind if you're out in the roads. There still may be some wet or slushy spots and even slick spots in northern Rhode Island where we do have that winter weather advisory in effect until 4 p.m. Narragansett, you can see that breeze going, and Newport, a different scene than yesterday afternoon when we had the snow falling. Visibility pretty good now with those gusty winds. In fact, sustained winds in Providence are 24 miles an hour. The temperature is 38. Temperature not so bad, but you factor in the wind. There is that biting wind chill out there. Our wind gusts recently 33 miles an hour from TF Green, 33 Newport, 33 Westerly, and 33 for Block Island. Our winds will gradually start to subside today, and that's because the center of low pressure will loosen its grip a bit deeper into the afternoon, allowing those winds to relax to gusts of around 20 miles an hour or 15 by this evening. Now, in terms of precipitation, it's basically going to do what it's doing right now, kind of spitting off and on rain and snow showers through the late morning into the afternoon. This evening, some drizzle, cloudy skies, but we are going to be watching out for those temperatures to drop. So once we get past 3, 4 o'clock, even for Providence, we're going to have to keep an eye on that temperature, which could be getting close to the freezing mark. In fact, let's walk you through that part of the planner. You can see we're generally hovering in the mid to upper 30s for the next several hours, but during the middle to the later part of the afternoon, temperatures start to drop near freezing and then below freezing overnight. So, even though a lot of the treated surfaces and highways are in pretty good shape, it's those side roads, sidewalks, which could freeze up again tonight through tomorrow morning. Here are the wind gusts forecasted around noontime, gusts of around 30 to 35 miles an hour. Notice how they subside a bit during the evening, down to around 20 miles an hour for wind gusts. And our forecast for tonight shows temperatures will go below freezing once we get into the early morning hours of tomorrow. So 6, 7 a.m. tomorrow, likely waking up with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. 7-day forecast brings in a few snow showers tomorrow. Not a big deal, not a big storm or anything like that. Sunny on Thursday, and we're keeping an eye on a potential coastal storm for Sunday, potentially into Monday morning. You can always get more details on our website at WPRI.com.